Okay, so if you've watched my channel for a while, you know that I'm a huge fan of Intech RVs. They build fantastic high quality RVs and they do things a lot different. Plus they have a really unique look, which I think a lot of people feel is lacking these days when it comes to RVs. Check out that huge front windshield. Look at what they're doing. They just absolutely stand out. They build their own frames, all aluminum welded construction, all aluminum superstructure with Asdel composite sidewalls. These things are absolutely built to last, and believe it or not, they're actually pretty dang affordable. They give you a lot of really great features, including one that people might not normally think. So you got this huge window up front, but they actually include a cover for the window, so when you're towing it down the road, you don't have to worry about the glass getting broken out by a stray rock. But this is really beautiful. This is a phenomenal lineup of travel trailers from the folks over at Intech, who has a racing heritage, and that's kind of the key. So we've already talked about these, and we've made videos on all of these. I'm not sure if you've checked them all out. You should definitely go back and even go back even further and look at the factory tour that I did out here if you really want to see what all goes into these. But we're actually going to talk about something a little different, which is kind of the heritage and the lineage of what you're seeing here. Okay, so this is probably not what you thought when you thought of Intech. This is something a little bit different than I think most people would ever assume an RV manufacturer also does, but not just also does, but is kind of the primary business that they do. This right here is one of their gooseneck haulers. This is designed specifically for the race car industry, in this case, stock car. This is just absolutely drop dead gorgeous. And when I told them I wanted to show you all the other side of their business, they were like, yeah, let's pull something around. This is not even the most extreme version of what they can build, but everything they do is custom when it comes to this stuff, and they can absolutely create something that will blow you away. So we're gonna take a closer look at this thing. First of all, check it out. Even the top up there, it actually says Intech. I'm not sure if you can see it. They have a 10,000 watt generator on here, an Onan diesel generator. They got mini splits on this unit as well for air conditioning. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Just look how heavy duty everything is right here. And you got some more storage up front here for your hydraulics. Look at that. Everything is sealed up really nice. They build this entire frame in-house. This has a gross vehicle weight rating of 21,000 pounds. It's over 40 feet long, and it has a cargo capacity of 8,135 pounds. Has triple axles on it. Each axle is a 7,000 pound axle with 17.5 inch tires on it. I mean, this thing is a beautiful coach. That's where your generator is going to live on the side. But wait until you see inside of this beast, because it is something special. Check out the Alcoa wheels. And again, this is just an example. It is not the example. They can completely customize these however you want. Up top is actually a railing system because the top is an upper deck. So if you own a race car and you're at the race and you want to be able to, enjoy the race from an elevated position from the middle of the pit, you can actually go up top, and we'll show you the ladder to access that. Stabilizers all the way around. Look at the mirror finish on a lot of this stuff. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it's blinding too if you're not looking at it from the right spot. Got all your lighting up here, lighting around the side, and it's virtually all aluminum, and they do all of their own aluminum fabrication here. That's why when you see their travel trailers, their RVs, you see such precision, because look at what their other business is. I mean, it's the same equipment building this stuff. This is absolutely nuts. We're gonna enter from the back hatch on this one. You got your windows right here, huge doors. Looks more like an emergency operation command than anything. But check out the floor in here. all aluminum floor. He goes, they have some customers that opt instead for a white ceiling to put a mirrored ceiling, so the entire top is a reflective mirrored ceiling. And then here's a ladder that actually takes you up to the roof, so you can get on the upper deck or the balcony and enjoy the game from there, or enjoy the race from there. This is actually an area where you can put axles. So this specific trailer is actually kind of like their normal version of a stock car trailer. This one's not super customized, even though all of these are kind of customized. You have your TV on the wall here. You have workbenches and things that can pop out. Inside of these cabinets, first of all, they're all custom-made aluminum cabinets, and they're designed to be able to hold tools, but you can go even further down here. And this one is actually designed to hold axles. So check this out. And then right here, you see this big mount right there? That's so you can actually put the back wing or the spoiler off of a stock car and you mount it up here. It can fit a car right here, and then you can fit a pit car in here as well. But check this area. So you can actually raise the car up here or remove the engine to work on it. So you have a whole hoist system on a rail that spans the entire length to go down to be able to remove the engine from the vehicle and put it up here to be able to work on it. That is absolutely crazy. You got your cross ventilation in here as well. And then look at all the cabinetry. I mean, I love this thing. This thing is absolutely amazing. And the quality behind all of this. I mean, this is insane, the quality that you're seeing in a trailer like this. This is beautiful. And then this side is made to hold tires. So you open these up, you put the tires inside of them. You got one of your mini split air handlers there, and you got another mini split air handler over there, plus all these bungee cords. I think he told me what these were for, but I forgot. You have LED lighting all the way around. This thing is super bright on the inside. This is amazing. And then you can flip the ladder up and you got more storage back here. And it's actually a good amount of storage. So let's see if I can move this ladder, because that ladder is aluminum. It's like super lightweight. But check this out. I bet you did not expect to see that much storage when I opened this cabinet. This is really, really something else. And again, all of this cabinetry, it's all made here in-house. And then just check out the floor so you can tie things down. This is gorgeous. And if you want to know what something like this actually costs, he says this one's probably around the $175,000 price range. But you know what? And I hate to say this, but I think it's true, and I think most people would probably agree with me. It actually feels like it's probably worth more than that. It's just, it blows me away at the construction of this thing and what they've done and how customized everything is, considering it's all made here. They're not ordering these cabinets from China. They're not ordering them from some other country. They're building it all here in this factory in Napanee, Indiana, which is really, really awesome. And again, they're putting a 10,000 watt quiet diesel generator inside of this as well. That's crazy. This is all super high-end stuff. You look at the mini splits, it's not some off-name brand. These are LG mini splits, dual inverter. These are the high-quality models that people tend to not pay for their house because they find a cheaper one on Amazon. This is all really, really high-end stuff, and the fit and finish is amazing. And they literally just pulled an example of one from the back because I said, hey, you know what? I want to show people what you guys also do, what kind of creates the Intech product when you're shopping for an RV that you're so proud of. Because to build something like this, I don't know of any RV manufacturer that could put something together like this the way Intech does. I mean, and I think you would probably agree, just the quality and the fact that, again, they build all of this in-house themselves, all the aluminum. So he took it a step further and he brought out the paperwork for actually building one of these, the things that they go through, the design for the deck, the design for the interior, where you want things. You can get completely crazy custom with these, as custom as you want to get. I mean, what's really cool, like look at this, max nitrogen airline pressure. And then on the back there, they actually have an air hose for an air compressor that's built into it as well. But this is absolutely nuts, and it really speaks to why they're RV product is so high quality. Look where they come from. Building this kind of stuff, you are selling this to race teams that are investing a lot of money into this being essentially what they work out of and what they have to keep their equipment up and running. So you have to build it to an entirely different level than, let's just say, your normal RV manufacturer would build what they build. And it's really cool to see that they do this as well, and it just blows me away. I'd love to know what your thoughts are. I am absolutely like slack-jawed looking at this. I am so blown away by the quality and the craftsmanship and what they're able to do, and just the overall look of it. Beautiful. But I'd love to hear from you. What do you guys think? Go back and look at the factory tour I did of the Intech RV factory so you can see how they build the Octa, how they build the Soul, how they build some of those as well, some of their off-road ones. But then also look at this and see how so much of what they do here applies there and what they do there applies here, because this is absolutely beautiful. Anyways, I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and we will talk to you again very, very soon.